Hey there, welcome to the VCELINK channel. We are going to talk about our shielded Cat6a Keystone jack today. This is a 180-degree shielded keystone jack. There is no performance difference between two different angles, and choose the best angle according to your preference and installation places. The toolless keystone jack here means no punch-down tools are required for this installation. Please be aware that there are no truly toolless. So please prepare a cable stripper and a flush cutter in your hand. Before termination, you will need to open the keystone jack first and take out the conductor holder. Use a flathead screwdriver to help. Strip the cable jacket up, slightly bend the cable, and pop it. Keep the cable jacket. You are going to use it later. The next step is to cut off the ripcord. Be careful not to damage the copper wire, or you will have to restart the process again. Here we use the Cat6a FTP Ethernet cable, which has 4 foiled twisted pairs and a drain wire. Please go back to our previous video for more comprehensive knowledge about different types of Ethernet cables. Wrap the drain wire around the cable and cut the foils. The foil cutting can be really tough to do. You need to cut them as evenly as you can. So just pull it tight and give it a small snip, then you can just rip it easily. Pass the twisted pairs through the conductor holder. The conductor holder is labeled T568A and T568B wiring diagrams, which helps to ease the termination process for novices. T568B wiring standard is recommended. Don't forget to use the cable jacket to help you untwist and straighten the wires. Insert the wires into the IDC slots. Please use your finger strength to tightly press the wires so they can be punched down. Also, some users may prefer to keep the wires twisted during this step, which is also acceptable. Double check the wire diagram is correct or not. Cut the excess wires. Make sure the cables are trimmed neatly. Put the conductor holder into the keystone jack. Make sure the conductor holder and the keystone jack are firmly interlocked. Then press down the housing caps to lock it up. Fix the keystone jack with a zip tie and cut off the excess part. Completed. There you go. A well-terminated Cat6a Toolless Keystone jack. Ready for a shielded RJ45 connector on a patch cord. You can also mount the keystone jack onto the wall plates and patch panels. One thing to mention is that this toolless Cat6a Keystone jack is also reusable. You can reopen and repeat the termination process whenever you need to if there is any problem with the network connection. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give us a like. If you don't like it, please feel free to comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching our video and have a nice day.